friends, welcome to my channel Tech Take Easy. It's me Abdullah Sham, and in this video we are going to see how to enable this PC recycle bin, control panel or other options on the desktop. If you want to show this option, and they are by default when you install the Windows or reset your PC, these three options gets disappear and you have to go to the search bar and then search on this PC and then go to this PC. So we are going to see how to enable this option, this PC recycle bin, control panel, users, how to enable these options or how to show these options on desktop. So without wasting time, let's start our video, guys. So first of all, what you have to do is just go to your desktop. Or if you want to go to desktop, just click on this go to this corner and then click here. You will be on your desktop. So what we are going to do, we have to just go to your desktop and then right click on it. When you will right click here, you will find an option naming as personalize. In the end of this section, you will find the option personalize. What you have to do, just go to the personalize, click on personalize. Now you can see the settings are being opened. So in the left side, you will find an option as themes, naming as themes. You will find these options in the theme. Just go to the theme. You can also click on the theme right here. Now as you have opened the theme, now you're going to search an option here as desktop icon settings. Where you will find it, under the related settings here, desktop icon settings. These are always available here in every computer. These options or these settings are here. You have to just click on these desktop icon settings, and then here you will pop-up menu will open, or a dialog will open asking you which things you want to show on your desktop. So I will check on computer, I will check recycle bin, and I will check control panel, and then click on apply. As you click on apply and then click on OK, now close the window and come to your desktop. Now you can see here are the little options here, this PC, the control panel, and the one recycle bin here. So now you can see these three options on your desktop, and these are now enabled. So I hope you learned something new in this video, or this video was useful for you guys. Please watch my video, watch my other videos, like my videos, share my videos with other people, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon too, so you will also get you will get the videos from my channel as I upload it. So see you in the next video, guys.